Alrighty then, how's it going guys? And welcome to another video. Rather short time in between uploads, but this one I think is really important because I want to give you guys a tip for motorcycle maintenance that every experienced rider knows about, but I've never seen anybody mention it before. And that is maintenance of your fuel cap. Now, I know that might sound strange, but any experienced rider will tell you that all fuel caps on motorcycles eventually, after being rained on many times, will get sticky and jam up. A perfect example of this was the other day when I left work only to find out that my fuel was practically empty. So I went to the petrol station and I couldn't unlock my fuel cap, which put me in a pretty difficult position, as I'm sure most of you can imagine. So how can you avoid this? Well, it's very easy. What you want to do is get something like an RP7 or WD-40, something that displaces water, and maybe once a month or so you want to open the little flap that covers your keyhole and just spray a little bit inside. What that's going to do is it's going to make sure that water can't get in and jam up the pins, and you'll always be able to unlock your fuel cap. So, yep, just something I thought was worth mentioning, seeing as I've never heard anybody mention it before, but as far as I know, it's a very commonly known about issue. So, yeah, until next time, have a good one.